and his name is Jesus. Jesus, my friend, Jesus. I found a friend, a close friend, a true friend, and his name is Jesus. Jesus, my friend, Jesus. What's a friend who we have in Jesus? Jesus. Oh, let me tell you what he's done for me. He gave me victory, strength when I'm weak. Oh, he's the only one who would answer my call every time that I need him. Yes, I found a friend. Ooh, yes, I found a true friend. Yes, I found a friend. Ooh, yes, I found a true friend. Let's, come on, just put your hands together. A friend who we have in Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, let me tell you what he's done for me. He gave me victory, strength when I'm weak. Oh, he's the only one who will answer my call every time that I need him. Yes, I found a friend. Ooh, yes, I found a true friend. Yes, I found a friend. Ooh, yes, I found a true friend. A friend in Jesus. Amen.